It's Sunday evening. We're down here in the shop today. I know I haven't done much videoing lately. It's just kind of been monotonous things. We've been doing a lot of drilling holes and fishing string and wires through the holes and all that for the running lights and everything. You can see there, we got holes drilled across the top there. Like I said, it's just been repetitive, been kind of boring. Nothing's really been worth videoing. So we did get the side markers. My dad worked on all of those. Got all my side marker lights on. Looks like he's got a brake light somewhat on. That's not where it's going. We're just getting it wired in. Can't put the brake lights, we can't weld them to the trailer until I get the trailer out of the shop, because then it wouldn't fit out the doors. So we got to do them we're just gonna get them wired up and get them somewhat where they're supposed to be. Then we got the 3 lights back there. I got the lights down this side. See all the way up through there. So today I've just been working on getting all this mill scale off this front wall, trying to get this cleaned up so I can get the 3M tape on it. It's taken quite a while because, like I said the other day, it's real oily. It's taken me a little while. I'm wiping it down with mineral spirits, giving it a good sanding, then coming back with some more mineral spirits, getting the rest of it off, and then hitting it with the buffer with just a buffing pad, and then coming back final time with some acetone to wipe it up and clean anything left off, and then sticking the tape down. I would like to have this front wall up today, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. I got about an hour left to work, so if I can at least have the tape on the front wall, that would be awesome. Then that way, whenever I get back down here, hopefully tomorrow, I can start cleaning this side up, laying this side, and start moving on. So we did get our sheet metal in from Hunter at PPM. Went and picked that up Friday, so appreciate Hunter and all the guys up at PPM for getting me a load of red. We should have enough red there to do this entire box like I'm planning on doing. It probably won't happen this year, but next winter, because like I said, right now we're just trying to get this thing to where it's usable. But next winter I'll go back and maybe even if we have time before racing season starts, go back and put insulation in and then put white sheet metal on the inside. But right now we're just focusing on getting this thing dried in to where we can start using it, and plus getting it out of the shop and getting it out of the way. That's the most important thing right now. So I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna get in here and try to finish these last 3 tubes up and get some tape on them, and maybe I can at least get 1 sheet of metal up today, if anything. So I'll pick you guys back up here in just a second. Hi guys, so was able to get 2 pieces put on the front there. Me and Dad got those 2 pieces up. Tomorrow will be the part that goes from the main roof up there to the drip down here over the front, before we can put those lights in on the front right there. So that'll be the next project, is getting that little short piece right there, get that covered in, and the roof will be pretty much done. Gonna go back, I don't know if I've said this, but gonna go back and put some aluminum, 2-inch aluminum angle right here over all the joints where everything's met up. So far it's looking good. That went together really well. I'm very pleased with it. That 3M tape seems to be doing what it's supposed to do. Once we get that short piece and that done, we'll be able to get those front lights in and then start doing on the side. Probably start on this side first. We can see we done got our holes drilled for that top marker and this front marker here. Have to get those cut out and figured up. But before I can do that, I still got to go back and get all the mill scale off all these posts right here, get them all situated. Anyways, it's coming along. Didn't take too long to do, but what took the longest was getting the mill scale off the post. So we're making progress somewhat, and we'll be back out here probably tomorrow evening after I get off work. So appreciate you watching. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.
All right, guys, it's Monday. We're back down here in the shop. The guys are working on various things. So they got a piece of metal, or the pieces of metal on the front of the trailer. Brad probably showed you that the other day. So that piece there is finished. Chris is still working on wiring. You can see him over there working on that. And Brad is working on the metal for the side of the box. Starting to actually look like a trailer. Slowly but surely. Alright guys, so this is what the guys are working on. It's taking forever to get this plastic off this metal because this metal is about 10 years old. So you got to get it heated up a little bit just to get some of it off.
And it's really hot standing right here.
But say, I bet you're toasty because it feels so good right here. Alright. That's where we're at right now. Alright guys, so Chris was still working on that piece back there. He's been working on that piece by himself. We finally got this one piece done. Got all the plastic pulled off of it. So it is mounted. It's hard to see up there, I know. But that's the progress we made tonight. So the biggest thing tonight was just getting that plastic off that sheet metal because it was old. And once you let the plastic sit on there for any amount of time, it does not want to come off. It's a pain in the butt when it's fresh, but when it's old, it especially is. But we appreciate all of you guys watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you back in the next video.